earlier children, we had done sedimentation and decantation. What is sedimentation? When we take water and allow that impure water, the insoluble heavy particles to settle down at the bottom, that is called sedimentation. The process by which the impurities which are insoluble, which does not mix with the liquid, settle down at the bottom of the container, of the bottle or glass, whatever it is called sedimentation. And after some time, when the insoluble particles have settled down at the bottom, collect the clear water, and that is called decantation, which we have just done. The process of sedimentation and decantation, which we have done with the help of the beaker, where I bought some sand particles and showed you how we have to pour it. So I'll just show you in the page that we took a beaker where we had water. In water I put some sand particles which was in this glass, and then I poured it in the water, the sand particles, and let the sand particles settle down at the bottom. That is called sedimentation. The sand particles, as you can see, it has settled down at the bottom, and then I poured the clear water and from it, and this water is clear, and this is your sand particle. This is your insoluble sand particles which are deposited. So this is called decantation, as I have shown you that how I poured it in this water is called decantation. Means process of getting clear water through decantation. Okay. Now we will do another thing, that is called filtration. Now filtration means maybe some particles have collected at the bottom and got it has got impurities in the water. So what I do, we take filter paper. This is called filter paper. As I told you that we have filter cloth. Your mummy's sari, you can use it. Like your mother, maybe at home you have seen that if you don't have water filters at home, water filters, they have the filter machine. I think you have seen inside it, there is a machine called filter machine, and that cleans your water which is coming through your tap. Now if you don't have filter machine, maybe you have seen that your mother boils the water so that she can give you the pure water. Now after boiling the water, she let the waters undisturbed for some time. Why? Because these impurities which are there in the water, which will become heavier and it will go and collect at the bottom of the vessel. And then she took the cloth and poured it, or a sieve. In this way, a cloth or a sieve she has taken and filtered. But we have another process that is called filter machine process. Now what is this? This is a filter paper. Now I have taken a flannel. This is a flannel, maybe at home you have seen this, and there is a process of putting the filter paper. This filter paper, take it and then you fold it like this, and then you do it like this, and then you put it here. Okay, this is the process by which you have to put the filter paper in the flannel. Okay, in this process. This is my filter paper. And then I put it inside. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take that sedimented water, the water that is sedimented water, and I will pour it through this filter paper and let the clear water come out through the filter paper. Now I will put this flannel. Why I have taken a flannel? Because I have to put it in this my beaker, and I have this filter, so I have taken a flannel, I have taken a beaker, I have put the flannel here, and I have taken the filter paper. This is your filter paper. Okay children, this is your filter paper. This is the process by which I put the filter paper inside. Now I take the beaker where I have all these insoluble impurities in it. As you can see, sand particles have got collected, and I pour. And through the filter filter paper, as you can see, clean, clear water is coming out through the filter paper. Through the filter paper, it is getting collected here. It is getting collected here. Through the filter paper, my clean, clear water is coming. Okay, so sediment is collected here. It will not come out. My filter paper, the full beaker is filled with water which is clean and clear. This process is called filtration. Filtration. This process is called filtration. Okay, so children, for filtration you have to take a filter paper and fold it in a proper way and put it in the funnel, and then in that funnel you put inside the beaker and pour the sedimented water. Okay, and you get the filtered water. So children, this process is called filtration. The process of removing impurities is called filtration. The process by which impurities are removed is called filtration. As you can see, filter paper here, this process, filtration. Okay, so in this way filtration is done. So you have a beaker here, filtered, where you have filter paper and funnel is there. As you can see the funnel, I have also shown you the funnel. This is the funnel, this is my filter paper, and we have to fold it and put it inside and then pour the impure water in it. You have to fold it and put inside. In this way you have to fold it and put it inside the funnel. Okay, there is a process by which you have to put. Okay, and then you have to put the funnel inside the beaker or whatever it is, glass and all that, and then you pour the water, pour the sedimented water. So in this way filtration is done, children. So this is the process. This process is called filtration. This process is called filtration. So in this way filtration is done and impurities is taken away from the water. So the three processes are sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Okay. Thank you, children.